Okay, so I'm at work, but I still wanted to blog and vlog and tell everybody how happy I am with the results from Crest white strips, thanks to Influenster. Basically, I took my phone off the hook so nobody thinks that I'm talking to myself, and I shut my door because they're gonna hear me talking and think I'm nuts. So here we go. Look at these teeth, these awesome results. They're in. They're white. Don't mind my face. I was just sick for like 3 days. But the teeth, very clean, very white. Took off all the results, all the remnants of coffee and stains and anything else I had. So I'm very happy. I'm very pleased with the results. It took a half an hour a day for only 20 days, and it was basically like professional whitening. There. So I'm going to try to put this onto my blog and then attach it to Twitter and Facebook or whatever else I have. And thank you again, Crest and Crest White Strips and Influenster. I'm very happy. Bye.